Hi, today we are going to talk about Apollo IO. Apollo IO is a powerful sales platform that empowers businesses to build pipelines, close deals, and enhance performance with AI-driven tools. It offers features like contact and account search, sales engagement, and deal management, helping users find leads, prospect on LinkedIn, and track interactions efficiently. Now, let's dive into its top features. Contact and account search. Apollo IO's contact and account search feature allows users to build targeted lists quickly using over 65 filters, including contact title, job function, location, and more. This tool helps identify the right leads and companies by providing instant insights on LinkedIn, Salesforce, Gmail, or any company website. It supports account-based prospecting by identifying key stakeholders and using signals like intent data to optimize outreach timing. Sales engagement. The sales engagement feature leverages automation to streamline outreach efforts. Users can create custom sequences with AI assistants or use pre-built templates that include emails, calls, and LinkedIn tasks. Apollo ensures high email deliverability through guided setups and authentication checks. Its AI personalization capabilities enhance email writing with recommendations and message analysis. Additionally, the built-in dialer facilitates cold calling with verified phone numbers and automatic call logging. Analytics. Apollo's analytics feature provides a comprehensive view of team performance through prospecting and engagement data. It includes sequence reports for analyzing messaging effectiveness and allowing cloning of successful strategies. Users can create custom dashboards from various metrics to tailor insights to their needs. Conversational analytics reviews sales call interactions to assess performance and highlight best practices. Workflow Engine. The Workflow Engine feature automates repetitive tasks to enhance productivity. It allows users to create custom workflows that integrate with other tools and systems, ensuring seamless operations. By automating routine processes, the Workflow Engine helps teams focus on strategic activities, improving overall efficiency and effectiveness. Deal Management. Apollo's deal management feature provides tools to track and manage sales deals effectively. It offers a centralized platform for monitoring deal stages, assigning tasks, and setting deadlines. Users can collaborate with team members to ensure smooth deal progression. The feature includes reporting capabilities to analyze deal performance and identify areas for improvement. While Apollo IO offers robust features for sales teams, there are potential drawbacks to consider. Complexity. The platform's extensive capabilities may overwhelm users, requiring significant time to learn and master all functionalities effectively, which can slow down initial adoption and productivity. Cost. Apollo IO's pricing can be high, especially for small businesses or startups with limited budgets, potentially limiting access to its full suite of features and impacting overall cost effectiveness. Integration challenges. Users may face difficulties integrating Apollo IO with existing tools and systems, which can hinder seamless workflow and data synchronization, leading to inefficiencies and potential data discrepancies. In conclusion, Apollo IO is a powerful sales platform offering comprehensive tools for lead generation, engagement, and deal management. However, its complexity, cost, and integration challenges may pose obstacles for some users. Despite these drawbacks, its features can significantly enhance sales efficiency and effectiveness for businesses willing to invest time and resources. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.